channel. This is Joita and you're watching the Brie Beauty. If you are new to my channel, then I do make videos related to makeup, fashion, lifestyle and skincare. And if you're interested in this category, then consider subscribing. Today I'm going to show you a very dramatic Christmas look, which is quite a glam and quite a outfit. And I'm literally hoping that you have that confidence and the courage to pull it off. Yeah, and I'll be really waiting for your pictures, so do send me them. And I hope that this year Santa Claus will help and surprise all of us, especially those needy women in society. And I want to really thank PINKISHE organization to be, a part of this society, to play a pivotal role in the society, to help those needy women and acting like Santa, of course, because they are helping women by making them self-empowered, which is really very important, and I'm honored to be a part of them. And yes, thanks to them that this video is supported by PINKISHE organization. Thank you. And of course, don't go anywhere. Stay tuned and keep watching this tutorial. Enjoy. you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give your thumbs up. Please give a big thumbs up for this video, because this is the first time ever I have tried this such makeup, and my bestie is sitting next to me. She's constantly calling me a vamp. Yes. Just look at my face. Lot of glitters, lot of colors, and a very offbeat color onto my lips. I don't know that you are liking this combination or not. I have thought of, not wearing a green cloth, just because I thought this color is probably suitable for all combination. And I am going to upload a very wearable and a lazy makeup tutorial for Christmas holiday glam in this outfit, coming soon for you guys. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more and more interesting upcoming videos, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get all the latest updates from my side. Until next time, take care and bye bye. Love you all.